What's going on YouTube? My name is Marv and you are locked into Kiss, where I cut out all of my usual waffle and we keep it simple. Today we're going to be talking about HSL. HSL stands for Hue, Saturation and Luminance. Basically, it allows you to customize all of your colors the way you want to. Hue is the color that you're actually seeing. Saturation is how strong that color looks, how vibrant that color looks. And luminance is the brightness of it. So think like navy blue and baby blue, that's luminance. Why is HSL important? Depending on what you're shooting, you might want to match different colors and tones together. So I'm gonna start off with hue. In these images, the jackets are different colors. However, it's the same jacket, just changing the hue. My thoughts were I wanted to match the brown of the scarf to her jacket. So I selected those reds and made them brown. In the second image, the sign behind M in this photo is in red. The hue, once again, allowed me to change the colors and make it look purple to contrast from her red jacket. Now, if you don't know what saturation does, I will show you quickly. As I decrease the slider, it will lose all of its color tones. Now, in a HSL panel, you'll be able to customize whatever colors you might want to take out or make stronger. Just so that you understand, when I take out the saturation of the reds, I'm only targeting those red colors. I could target the blues at the same time and have the purples standing out, or I could take out the purples completely and I could boost the orange. I don't know why you would want to do that, but I hope this gives you more of an understanding of what saturation does. Getting on to luminance. Luminance is a lot more simple to understand. It basically just adds to the brightness of that image. You can take away from the brightness and make it darker. A key part of taking a good photo in most images is having detail everywhere, or at least on the subject. Sometimes using the luminance slider will help keep that detail alive in certain parts of your image. I generally use it for boosting my main subject. Actually, that photo that was just on behind us. Anyway, no waffling. Not every photo editor or video editor has a HSL panel. So if you're looking to control your colors, make sure you find an editing software that will allow you to do so. If you want to see the HSL panel being used in a little bit more detail, then head back to my channel and you will find MV and Chill, where I take some time out of my week to sit down and edit some photos, going through the whole process, along with other tools and tips that I put into Kiss. If this video has been good to you and you've learned something, please hit the blue like button. Well, it will be blue after you click it. Save it to a playlist if you're the type of person to forget and need to come back and revisit. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, as I will be posting more photography tutorials, tips and tricks. And I'll speak to you on the next episode of Kiss. Peace.